Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you?
I am fine.
Hope all are fit and fine. Okay. So,
Yes.
children, all of you mute yourself. Mute yourself, children.
Yes.
One minute, children. Hello, everyone. Children, can you hear me? Okay. Okay, children. Now to children, yesterday we had done lesson number 7. The same we are going to continue. Gunjan, good afternoon, my dear. Sonam, Shubh Dopair. Yes. Yes. Okay. So, yesterday we did places to learn. We learned public places, right? Public places which are used by the people. It is for everyone, public places. Okay. And we learn places to learn, school and college, right? And we learn places where we shop, eat, play. We learn shopping mall, park, restaurant. Okay. These were the places of play, shopping, and eating. Okay. And we learned what we else we learned? We learned places where we worship. Hindu go to temple. Muslims go to mosque. Christians go to, just children, I'm going to revise you this only because you might have got the timetable. Exams are going to start from 18th, right? So, children, I'm giving you deeply revisions. Okay, so you learn properly. Okay, so places to learn: Hindu temple. Okay, Muslims mosque. Okay, and Christian church, and Gurudwara Sikh. Okay, and we learn service places also. We learn railway station, bus station, post office, police station, right or no? We learned yesterday. I showed you all the pictures also, and we learned everything. Today, we are going to learn that all the how to take care of public places. Okay, how to take care of public places. What are our duty to keep the public places safe? Okay, our duty, because public places are very, very important for the people. Okay, so it is our duty to keep care of public places. Okay, so let's start with the duties of taking care of public places. So let's have duties of protecting public places. Okay, first of all, children, see, we should, whenever we are visiting public places, no, we should not spit. We should not spit or throw garbage near the public places. It is very, very bad. We should not spit. Spit means thukna. Yeah, throw garbage near the public places. Whenever we are visiting public places, no, we are visiting, if we are visiting in the park, we must not spit in the park. We must not throw the garbage, kachra, khane ka kachra, we must not throw in the park. We must not throw spit in the shopping mall. Wherever we are going in the public places, we should take care of it. If you find any garbage, we should put in the dustbin. Okay, and do not spit. Very, very bad habit. Okay, so please, we should not spit or throw garbage near the public places. Okay, this is a very, very important. We should follow this habit. Okay, थूकने का और कचरा डालने का नहीं. Whenever we are going to public places. Okay, children. Now, next, our duty for protecting public places is second one. Children, whenever we are visiting public places and just we are spoiling the walls of public places, very bad. Okay, we should not write or draw anything on their walls. Okay, हम लोग को वॉल के ऊपर कुछ भी rubbish not to write. Some people write rubbish on the wall. Okay, children, follow the rules of protecting the public rules. First, we learn do not spit, do not throw garbage, and we should not write or draw anything on their walls. Okay, walls के ऊपर कुछ भी नहीं लिखना चाहिए. Okay, next, third one is always whenever we are going to visit to public places, always children, don't rush it. Don't rush. We should stand in a queue. We should stand in a queue. Can you hear me, children? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Very good. Very good. Yes, Ishita, Parinita, you're replying. Very good. Can you reply? Yes. Okay. Very good. Children, we should stand in a queue. हम लोग को जहां भी जाते हैं, हम लोग को always we must stand in the queue for your turn. जब तक तुम्हारा turn नहीं आता है, stand in a queue. Don't rush it. धक्का धुक्की नहीं करना चाहिए. Okay. Whenever we should take care of, when we are going in the public places, we should stand in the queue. Okay. The next, children, when we are in the school, we should follow the children, what we should do? We should follow we should stand in a line. Okay, see. We should stand in our turn. See, children are in the wash basin. Children are in the wash basin. Toilet mein, they are standing in a queue. है ना? They are standing in the queue. They are waiting for their turn, not to fight. नहीं, पहले मुझे जाने दो, पहले मुझे जाने दो. Very bad. Very bad, children. We should wait for your turn. Okay, children? So follow the rules. Okay? No fighting. No arguing. Okay? You have to stand in a line. Okay? Now, next is children. Yesterday, I told you the community helper, postman, police officer, and doctor. These are the community helper. These are the people who do work for us. जो हमारे लिए काम करते हैं उसको community helper बोलते हैं. जो public के लिए काम करते हैं, the people who work for the public are called community helper. Okay, now these are the pictures. Now you have to find the answer from the middle row. Okay, first you see the picture, children. Come on, tell me which picture it is. Can you find the answer? Which person? Which? Can you tell me? Which? This first one. First one. One by one we will. Yes. Can you tell me? Community helper. Which community helper? See the picture, beta. Yes, Utsavi. Correct. Correct. Yes. Very good. Harshana, Aradhya, Srishti, very good. Yes, very good. The answer is nurse. Yes, nurse is the correct answer. Yes. Now come to second. Identify the community helper. Identify. You should know thoroughly, children. What do we call that person? Yes. Yes, very good, Manasi. Siddharth Chaurasia, Zihan, correct, beta. Very good, Ishita. Srinidhi, very good. It's a fireman. It's a fireman. Very good. At least y'all are able to identify the person. Y'all can identify the community helper. They help for the public. Now, next one is children. Next. Yes, correct. Gargi, you have not changed yet, beta. Yes, correct. It's a clown. Clown, you can say joker also. Correct. Very good. Clown. Okay, next. Find the answer from the middle row, beta. Correct, Zihan. Correct, my dear. Perfect. Awesome. Very good. Good job. Yes, no doctor. No, see. See, pet. You can see the pet. Veterinary doctor. Vet doctor. This veterinary. The person who treats the animal, na, it's called veterinary doctor. Vet. Okay, it's called veterinary. जो जानवरों को ठीक करता है ना, उनको वेट डॉक्टर बोलते हैं. वेट डॉक्टर, वेटरिनरी डॉक्टर. ओके, Anga, wait slowly, beta. Otherwise, I will think that you are writing wrong. So, vet is a correct answer. Now, next, wherever I am putting correct circle, putting marking, na, you have to tell me that answer only. Yes, tell me. No, beta, no. Srinidhi, yes. Yes, very good. Swara, Shivang, Shivang, pull. Yes, correct. Yes, it's a driver. It's a driver. The person who drives the bus is called a driver. Okay. Now come to this side now. Yes, very easy. Very easy. Yes. Charnya, Bharat, Aradhya, it's a doctor. Correct. Now, next. You all can identify by seeing the board. If there is a board, you can easily say. It's a yes, teacher. Okay, next. Next, children. Oh. Next, children. Yes. Can you tell me? Tell me this. Yes, it's a guard. This is called a guard. Watchman, guard. Okay. And the next is, ये कौन है? Come on, identify the community helper person. Yes, it's a policeman. Yes, correct. Okay, no problem, children. If you will write wrong spelling, correct. Are teacher over, beta? Are teacher over? हो गया teacher, guard हो गया. Tejas, come on, answer me. What is this? Policeman. And the next one is? You can see the answer from the middle. Spellings are given. Yes, it's a shopkeeper. So these are the community helpers. The people who work for the public is called it is written, beta. Rashid, the spelling is given. Okay. So again, I want to teach you again. You should learn. Okay. Now I will tell you. Now tell me. First, I will tell you. You have to find wherever purple color square rectangles are there. No, you have to find the answer from now. Okay. Now they take care of animals. Now tell me. The person who take care of animals. Just now we learned. Very good. मेरे बच्चों को ध्यान है. मस्त. It's called a vet. Correct. Correct, beta. It's called a vet. Okay. Okay. She puts out fire. Chalo. Which community helper she is? She puts out fire. Correct. Yes, 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 correct. Oh, yes. Yes, where it is firefighter. She puts out fire. देखो आग को बुझाते हैं ना. It's called see this. You can see this. Firefighter. The answer is firefighter. Okay, correct. Very good. Now there are many community helpers. That's why I want to show you all the community helpers. Okay. They take care of people when they are sick. Come on, tell me. When they are sick, they take care of people. What do we call? Correct, Tejas, Shaurya. Yes, it's a very good doctor. Correct. Now next is children. They sing on the stage. is called they sing on a stage. Yes, singer. Very good. The person who sing on the stage is called a singer. Okay. Now, next is, come on, tell me. He directs film. Direct film. He makes films. It's called Srinadi. Very good. It's a very good. Correct. It's a film director. It's called a film director. Very good. Now, tell me this. He repairs shoes and bags. Who repairs shoes? Yes. Who repairs shoes and bags? It's a... Oh, sorry, I forgot. There was one I missed, children. They fight crime. Children, this I forgot. I mixed one. This one. They fight crime. Policeman, police officer. Now we are reaching. He repairs shoes and bags. It's called a shoes. कौन बनाता है बच्चा? Here it is there. Yes. Shoes कौन बनाता है? You can say cobbler also. You can say shoemaker also. See, this is the picture is all there. You can find the answer. See, this is a picture of shoemaker. Cobbler also you can say, my dear. And shoemaker. Both are correct. Both are correct. Well done. Okay, can we come to the next? Now, tell me this one. He grows plants. What do we call? See the picture. Purple colored rectangles are there. Now, find the answer. You have to find. You should have the habit of finding the answer from the bracket. Yes, correct. See, where is farmer? Let us find. Yes, here is the farmer. Correct. He grows plant. Okay. So these children all are community helper. Okay. The next is they take photos. Click, click. Come on. Yes. Photos. Here it find out the answer. Here it is photographer. Here it is photographer. Okay. Now next, the last one is, here it is, he delivers letters. Who delivers letters? Oh, very easy. Correct. Oh, yes, it's a farmer, photographer, and he deliver letter, postman. Correct. So children, all these are what? These person people are called what? Children, ये सबको क्या बोलते हैं? They work for the people. What do we call them? उनको क्या बोलने का? They are our community helper. They help the people. Okay? Community helpers. All are, you can write, you see the pictures. There is a police officer, blacksmith. Okay. Siramesh, their question was not there. All picture we can find out. Yes, community helpers. Because why do we call them community helper? They work for all the people. Okay. They are helping, they help the people. Okay. Now next is children. Here is the option. There are the options. 3 options are there. Okay. Here 3 options are there. You have to tell me the correct answer. Now tell me, children, teacher, find the answer. Where do you see the teacher? Where do we see the teacher? Here are the options. Yes. Yes. You have to write the spelling, beta. You should know. You should have the habit. You will write the spelling. No, it will be, you will learn easily. You write, you type the spelling. Okay. Don't write C, B. Okay. You write teacher works in a, you have to tell me the answer. Yes. Teacher works in a school. Okay. Your spelling also is given. You learn. This way you will learn the spelling easily. Tejas, teacher, why you written? You should write school, beta. Okay. Okay. Now tell me this. Firefighter. Where do we see firefighter? These are the options. Yes. Correct. We see the firefighter who puts out the fire. जो आग बुझाते हैं. Where they work? They work in fire station. Firefighter, where he works? Fire station. Okay. Where there is a fire, we will phone to fire station. Fire station will send the firefighter with the fire brigade. Okay. So fire station. Now next, actor. Where actor works in a, see the spelling you can find. Yes, actor. Options are museum, bakery, theater. Actor. Yes. Theater. Actor works in a theater, not museum, not bakery. Okay, very good. Now, nurse works in a, nurse works in a, Sejal, change the answer, beta. I want the answer of nurse works in a, Srinidhi. Works in a hospital. Yes. Okay, come to right side, children. Doctor. Yes. Hospital. Okay. Chef. Chef. You can see the picture and tell me. Chef works in a supermarket, restaurant, and police station. Chef. The person who makes tasty dishes in the restaurant. Yes, chef. They work for us. Yes. Restaurant, correct. Okay, now next is police officer. Police officer, where police officer works? He works for, where do we see police officer? I want to know the answer of this. Police officer, where do we find police officer? Where he works? Yes, think and tell me, huh, beta? No hurry. You can write the spelling correctly. Here, everything is given. Why I'm telling you to type? You will learn the spelling properly. Okay. So, it's a police office. Police officer works in the police office. The next is artist. Artist work in a post office, museum, or bank. Yes. Siddhi, come on. Where are you? Siddhi. Are you okay, beta? Yesterday your sound was very low. Artist works in a museum. Artist works in a museum. We see many paintings. We see many paintings in the museum, not post office and bank. If you want to see the different types of painting and all. We go to see the museum. Okay, children, now we learn all the community helper. Okay, and where they work. Okay, now can we go next? Read me what you are writing. Okay, next is, okay, now one more chart. Come on, let's solve this. Yes. Can you hear me? Yes, come on, tell me. Choose the correct answer. This is what? Can you hear me, children, all of you? Children, what is this? Can you see the picture? Can you hear me? Srinadi? Yes, this is a come on, tell me the answer, beta, children. Which answer it is? Identify the picture. Yes, correct. Yes, it's a hospital. It's a hospital. Correct. Next is, the options are school, library, and restaurant. You can see the knife and fork. Where do we see knife and fork means what? School we see, library or restaurant. Where do we find, where do we use knife and fork? Yes, Hola giving. Bhuvnesh, yes. Arya, Aradhya, Mansi, Anga, very good. Correct. If we, the answer is, restaurant. Okay. Yes. It's a bank. No, beta. Bank. It's not a bank. You see, there is a fork and a knife. तो fork and knife बैंक में कहाँ से आया बेटा? हम लोग where the place where we use fork, where we see the grains and all, it's a supermarket. It's a supermarket. Okay, now next is what? Dollar you can say. Okay, the next is next. It's a very good, correct. Correct. Very good. Correct. Very good. It's a bus stop. Next. Next is what? Children, come on fast. Yes, correct. Very good. It's a here we can brushes there. Brushes and painting. Museum. The correct answer is museum. See, there are brushes and colors also. This is a museum. Okay, come to next. There are buns and pastries. It's a bakery. It's a bakery. Okay, next. You can see the fire brigades are there. Where do we see fire brigade? Options are fire station, museum, bank. Yes, correct. All are Shrishti, Utsari, Mansi, Arya, correct. Arfan, Asba. Fire station, Asma. We see fire brigade in fire station, beta. Asma, why you writing bank, beta? Fire station. We see fire brigade. See the picture properly, beta. See, there are pictures. Yes, you can see the picture here. Fire brigades. So we see in the fire station. Okay, the next is what? Park bus stop school. It's a school. Okay, next is see the picture hospital, park or fire station. Hospital, park or fire station. It's a park. Okay, the next is library, supermarket, theater. It's a theater. Okay, now children, we are going to learn that guess who am I? Guess who am I? Riddles. Now children, again the time is getting over. So there are many worksheets which we are going to solve it. Okay. I wanted to tell you all again today story, but time is getting over. Okay. So children, come on chat. Come on. The weekend. Monday we are going to continue the more worksheets which we are going to solve it. Okay, children? So, bye-bye. See you. Have a nice day. Love you all, children. Bye-bye.